Did you know that one simple attachment can make your car wash safer, faster, and way more satisfying? Imagine covering your entire vehicle in thick, shaving cream-like foam before you even touch the paint. Sounds satisfying, right? That's exactly what a foam cannon does. Instead of scrubbing dirt directly off your car and risking scratches, a foam cannon connects to your pressure washer and blankets your vehicle in dense snow foam that loosens grime, road salt, and debris before the wash even begins. But here's the catch. Not all foam cannons perform the same. Some produce thicker foam, some are easier to adjust, and others simply last longer. So which one should you buy? Today we're counting down the 5 best foam cannons for pressure washers to help you achieve that professional-level foam wash at home. All the links are in the description below, so you can easily check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Riva Foam Cannon. Starting off our list is the Riva Foam Cannon, a solid entry-level option for anyone who wants thick foam without spending a fortune. This model is designed with a durable bottle and a pressure washer connection that supports up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, making it compatible with most residential pressure washers. What really stands out here is its adjustable foam dial that lets you control the foam thickness depending on your soap mixture and water pressure. In real-world use, the foam coverage is surprisingly good for the price, producing a nice blanket of foam that clings to the vehicle long enough to break down dirt and road grime. Compared to higher-end models on this list, the foam isn't quite as dense, but the ease of use and affordability make it a great starting point for beginners. If you're just getting into car detailing and want a reliable foam cannon that does the job without complicated adjustments, the Riva is a solid choice. But if you want thicker foam and more durability, the next options might impress you even more. Number 4. Franny Upgraded Foam Cannon. Next up is the Franny Upgraded Foam Cannon, which takes things a step further with a more refined design and improved foam output. This model features a wide-mouth bottle that makes pouring soap much easier compared to narrow containers, which is a small detail that makes a big difference during setup. The adjustable spray nozzle allows you to switch between a narrow jet and a wide fan pattern, giving you better control over foam coverage. In comparison to the Riva model, the Franny produces noticeably thicker foam and spreads it more evenly across the car. The bottle construction also feels sturdier, which is great for long-term use. During real-life testing, it performed especially well on larger vehicles like SUVs and trucks because the wide spray pattern helps cover surfaces quickly. However, it may require a slightly stronger pressure washer to achieve the thickest foam possible. Still, if you're looking for a balance between affordability and performance, the Franny is definitely a step up. Number 3. Siglin Foam Cannon. Taking the third spot is the Siglin Foam Cannon, a model designed for users who want reliable performance with a professional feel. This foam cannon features precision engineering with a brass connector and high-quality internal components that help generate thicker and more consistent foam. Compared to both the Riva and Franny options, the Siglin produces denser foam that sticks to the vehicle longer, allowing cleaning chemicals more time to break down stubborn grime. One of its biggest advantages is the build quality. The heavy-duty brass fittings and reinforced bottle make it feel more durable than many entry-level models. The adjustable dial and spray head are also very responsive, allowing you to fine-tune foam thickness easily. In real-world use, this cannon performs extremely well for weekly car washes and detailing sessions. If you're looking for something that feels more premium than basic models but still remains affordable, the Siglin offers a great balance between durability and foam performance. Number 2. Basenor Foam Cannon. Coming in at number 2 is the Basenor Foam Cannon, a favorite among car detailing enthusiasts. This model stands out for its robust design and exceptional foam output. Built with upgraded materials and a high-quality brass core, it can handle high-pressure washers while consistently producing thick, shaving cream-style foam. Compared with the Siglin model, the Basenor tends to produce slightly denser foam and better coverage, especially when paired with high-quality car shampoo. One standout feature is its large capacity bottle and easy adjustment controls, which allow users to dial in the perfect foam consistency. In real-life scenarios, it performs extremely well for pre-wash stages, where thick foam helps lift dirt before hand washing. The durability also makes it ideal for frequent use. While it's a bit pricier than the previous options, the performance boost makes it worth it for serious car enthusiasts who want a professional-style wash experience at home. Number 1. Wigoo Foam Cannon. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Wigoo Foam Cannon. This model delivers the best overall combination of foam thickness, durability, and ease of use. Built with a high-quality brass core and reinforced bottle, it's designed to handle high-pressure systems while producing incredibly dense foam. Compared with the base Nor, the Wigoo offers slightly better foam consistency and smoother adjustment controls, making it easier to dial in the perfect foam mixture. The spray pattern is also more uniform, allowing you to coat an entire car quickly without wasting soap. In real-world detailing scenarios, the Wigoo creates a thick foam blanket that clings to the surface longer than most competitors, giving cleaning agents more time to break down stubborn dirt and road contaminants. The sturdy construction and reliable performance make it an excellent option for both beginners and professional detailers. If you want a foam cannon that delivers powerful performance, consistent foam, and long-term durability, the Wigoo stands out as the best overall choice on this list. Final verdict. So which one wins overall? While all 5 foam cannons perform well depending on your needs, the Wigoo foam cannon takes the top spot thanks to its excellent foam thickness, durable build quality, and easy adjustability. The base Nor comes in as a strong runner-up for heavy-duty users, while Siglin offers a great balance of quality and affordability. Franny and Riva are solid choices for beginners who want reliable foam performance without spending too much. A foam cannon is easily one of the best upgrades you can add to your pressure washer. It creates thick foam that loosens dirt before you even touch the paint, helping reduce scratches, swirl marks, and washing time while making the entire process more satisfying.